In this video, we will see some introduction on even signal and odd signal in signals and systems. Even signal is a signal which remains identical on folding. That means when you do the time reversal or folding, the signal remains the same. Here, mathematically, we can express it as xt is equal to x of minus t. X of minus t is a folded signal and xt is the original signal. Here is the one waveform of xt. Suppose you want x of minus t of this signal. X of minus t means you want the folded signal. So while getting folded signal, you have to take the positive part to the negative and negative part to the positive. So this is your positive part, you will take it here. This is your negative part, you will take it here. So when you observe these two waveforms, that means xt and x of minus t both are same. So this is a even signal. So in a short, we can say that if you are seeing the same picture on positive as well as negative side, then negative side of the t-axis, then that is the even signal. Next, odd signal. Odd signal is one which does not remain identical on folding or on the time reversal. That means amplitude inverts on folding. So let us see how we can express this or we can understand this with the help of waveform. Mathematically, we can express it as xt is equal to minus x of minus t. So this is one of the waveform xt. Now let us draw the folded signal. That means, so I can draw here only x of minus t. X of minus t, how we will draw first only x of minus t, this part. X of minus t here only, in this waveform only I am going to draw this x of minus t. That means positive part, the positive part you are going to take it on the negative, and negative part you will take it on the positive t-axis. So like this. So this is your x of minus t. Now so you can observe that xt is not equal to x of minus t, but if you invert the amplitude, that means this is your x of minus t, this is your x of minus t. So minus x of minus t, that means amplitude is inverted. You have to draw like this, and for this you have to draw like this. This is your x of minus t, and this is your minus x of minus t. So you can see that this waveform, that is minus x of minus t, and this xt waveform are same. So this is the odd signal. So for odd signal, xt is equal to minus x of minus t. That means x of minus t is folding operation or time reversal, and minus x of minus t is minus x of something. That means amplitude, that is called amplitude reversal. So this is the odd signal. One important thing about odd signal is odd signal always passes through the origin, and the DC or average value for the odd signal is 0. Next, let us see a very important topic that is asked in the university exam for the for theory exams, that they will ask how to find out the even part and odd part of the of any signal. So any general signal which is not which is neither even or nor odd can be expressed as like this. Xt is expressed as xet, that means even part of the xt, plus x odd t, that means odd part of the xt. Now we will take x of minus t. In this expression only we are going to change this or we are going to do the time reversal or folding. So t is changed with minus t, and x even t here minus t, x odd t minus t. Now we know that So we know that x even t is equal to x even minus t. That means folding or time reversal does not make any difference for the even part, and x odd t is equal to minus x odd minus t. So in this expression, that means this expression x of minus t, x even minus t is x even t, because x even t is equal to x even of minus t. So x even of minus t, we have written it as x even t, and x odd minus t, x odd minus t is minus x odd minus t. That means here you are going to write minus x odd of t, x odd of t. So we got this expression and this expression. So once again I will explain. A general signal xt consists of even part as well as odd part. Then we have changed t with minus t, that means we have done the folding. After that we have written here minus t everywhere. Then x of minus t, we know that x even minus t is x even t, and x odd minus t is minus x odd t, so that is written. So we are now going to concentrate on these two equations. Okay, so if you add xt and x of minus t, that means you are going to add xt plus x of minus t. So here x even t plus x even t is 2 xet. Okay, I will do like this. So xt here this also I am going. So xt plus x of minus t is equal to 2x even t, because this x odd t and minus x odd t will be cancelled. So even part becomes x even t is equal to xt plus x minus t divided by 2. Similarly, if you do xt minus x of minus t, xt minus, at that time you will get x even t will be cancelled, and you will get minus plus 2 x naught t. So x naught t is xt plus minus x of minus t divided by 2. So you got the expressions for even part of the signal and odd part of the signal. So that is it for this video. Thank you.